In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Arms Race in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily find Arms Race servers in CS2. This mode was officially added to CS2, so if you played when it was originally released roughly a year ago, it wasn't in the game. However, Valve made sure to update it, so now we have Arms Race. As you can see, during the time that I'm recording this video, they have baggage, shoots, and pool day as available as the maps. So all that you have to do is go ahead, go over to play, matchmaking, and then choose Arms Race. You can also play against bots if you go over to practice, and regardless of the option that you choose, you will be able to connect into Arms Race. So this is essentially gun game. It is just another name. You will be able to start with a gun, and after you kill enough enemies with the gun that you are given, you will update your gun. So as you can see, I got one kill, I need to get another, and then I'll be able to upgrade this gun. Eventually, the person who gets to the golden knife and knifes someone will win the full game. So as you can see, after killing 2 people, I now have the op, and I'll be able to keep killing them until I get to the golden knife. So I'm just gonna keep showing you some gameplay of the mode. As you can see, I'm playing on official Valve servers, so you will be able to get the best ping possible according to your region and play Arms Race. It is going to be T versus CT, so you will be paired up with other people on your team, and all of you can go together against the enemy team, but only one person wins the entirety of the game, so keep that in mind. Still, it's a very fun game. It allows you to cycle through all of the weapons, maybe practice weapons that you don't usually play, and you will be able to earn drops, cases, XP, and so on to level up your CS account. And you will be able to play it as many times as you wish. Just go over to play, matchmaking, or practice, and choose Arms Race as the mode when you queue up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Arms Race in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.